Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by selecting the mesh and entering edit mode immediately. This puts you where vertices are editable. Once in, switch to Vertex Select and enable snapping if alignment matters. You should know the difference. Merge versus connect. Merge collapses, connect creates an edge. Now select the two vertices you want and press F to create an edge, or M to merge at cursor. Make sure to use vertex normals and snapping to control placement, because precision here prevents topology issues later. Once done with basic edges, refine how vertices connect to maintain clean topology. You can press F to bridge two verts, but for multiple verts, try the knife tool to cut new edges accurately. This helps avoid engons. Use Ctrl+E for dissolve or bridge tools when connecting loops. Make sure to check vertex normals and remove doubles with merge by distance if vertices overlap. This step controls flow for deformation and shading, so take time to inspect edge loops and face direction. To finish, verify the connections by checking normals and recalculating them. This fixes shading artifacts. Next, run merge by distance to remove accidental duplicate vertices and tidy topology. Small overlaps can break edges. If an edge behaves oddly, isolate the problematic geometry and test connections in wireframe. That reveals hidden faces. Make sure to save incremental versions before big changes. And if things go wrong, reselect surrounding verts and use
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.